Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 401st part of explanation of my theory. Yes. There are countless motion forms and motion arrows, motion lines in meta-sensation perception matter. Yes, this is a motion line, intrinsic motion line in meta-sensation perception matter. Unless these motion lines or motion arrows exceed 1,884,000 km per second, 6.28 times greater than the speed of light, they encounter resistance force from meta-sensation perception matter. These resistance forces act as centripetal forces that they shaper of electron motion form. Here, resistance from meta-sensation perception matter. Force. Okay. Then force. But think of continuously and spherical, three-dimensional. Yes, you see, I hope. Yes, like this. And go in and repetitive motions, consecutive waves. Here, lambda equals radius. Okay. Force, infinite forces, force. This is the section of three-dimensional ring-shaped electron motion form. This is electron motion form. This motion arrow reverses as three-dimensional electron motion form, but it is electron motion form. This surface is motion surface. And photon, a photon is point, every point, arbitrary, inseparable point on electron motion form. For instance, this, and it has two components. Tangential speed of photon point is 2 pi c km per second, 1,884,000 km per second. Here, this side, speed of light side, speed of light. And it has speed of light component energy and tangential speed energy, speed of light component mass, tangential mass, etc. Okay. And don't forget, lambda, we think of as the wave, but sphere, it is sphere. Its consecutive waves are spherical waves, spheres. Lambda is equals to radius and equals to between force and axis distance. They are the same. Okay. Now, this is my photonic rotational angular energy formula. These are tangential point, component energy, speed of light component energy. Okay. In accepted physics theories, E equals mc² is what? Rest energy. No, this is not rest energy. This is rotational energy derivation. Okay. This rotational energy formula classical, but results is not 1/2 here. Now, acts, metasensation perception matters, resistance force to motion arrow, shaper, electron motion form, and consecutive wave shaper forces, centripetal forces, okay, good thing, as centripetal forces. Here, centripetal acceleration classical formula, here, classical centripetal force formula. Okay, here, you see, I hope you see. Yes. Now, wait a moment, please. Then, here, tangential speed is mvc that I put forth, 2 pi c, 1,884,000 kilometers per second, here, and radius equals to distance equals to lambda. We plug in the formula, centripetal force, what? This is this new formula. And energy, force times distance, then we plug in, result is E is m tangential speed square. What is that? Tangential speed component rotational energy formula for a photon. Since m prime divided by m is equals to tangential speed divided by speed of light equals tangential energy divided by c component energy is equals to 2 pi. Here, when we plug in for speed of light component, we get E equals mc², c direction component rotational energy formula for photon. Finally, E equals mc² formula comes from rotational energy, angular energy. Okay. I will explain next in details. See you later.